Pulkit, are you comfortable in English?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will be studying the chapter A Square and a Cube, and we will be talking about the square numbers, perfect squares, some patterns, cube roots. So to start with, I will be telling you what all will be included. The squares, square numbers basically, some patterns, cube roots, cubic numbers, and some extra information on taxi cab numbers. Okay, so now to begin with, we will start with square numbers. We will talk about some perfect squares and some properties of how we will determine perfect squares without having the need of doing square all over again. So we will do some tricks and tips so that it is very easy for you to do it in less time. Okay, so let's begin. Square numbers. What are square numbers? What are square numbers? Pulkit, do you have any idea about what are square numbers?
Ma'am, numbers which have two same pairs, same numbers pair.
Pairs. You cannot say pairs. If a number is multiplied by itself, if any number is multiplied by itself, we get square. Any natural number, you multiply any natural number. First of all, tell me what are natural numbers.
And numbers starting from 1 to infinity.
Yes, from 1 to infinity are natural numbers. So any natural number when multiplied with itself, we get a square. So a square of 1 is
1.
1. The square of 1 is 1 itself. Now we get to 2. So when we are multiplying 2 with itself, we are getting 4.
4.
So 4. What is the square of 2?
4.
4. Likewise, 3, 4, 5. We have, whenever any natural number is multiplied by itself, we get a square of that number and we call that as a square number. We call that as a
Square number.
square number. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving forward, we have some properties. Okay, firstly, let me tell you what is a perfect square. What is a perfect square? So yes, Pulkit, what is a perfect square? See, the squares of the natural number, the square of a natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on is a perfect square. Like 4, let's talk about 4. This is a perfect square because this is a square of a natural number. अब अगर हम 4 का ही multiplication करें 4 के साथ, what do we get? We get 16. 16 is a perfect square. So the squares of natural numbers, the square of natural numbers or natural numbers में, अच्छा tell me, does 0.5 count as a natural number?
No, ma'am.
No, it does not. Okay. So we only the squares of these natural numbers extending till infinity And the square of these numbers can be called as perfect squares. Okay? Okay, are you noting down or we should move forward?
Miss noted.
Okay, so moving on, we have some properties on square numbers. Properties on square numbers. For what I have made this table for, I will explain you, and this is very interesting. Properties. So the first property is that you see this, acha, let's fill this table first. Let's fill this table. So 1 ka square,
1,
2 ka square,
4,
4, 3 ka,
9,
9. This?
16,
Yes, tell me.
25,
Yes,
36,
36, good.
49,
49,
64,
64,
81,
81, and
108.
100, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See. And now 11 ka square,
121,
121, 12 ka,
144,
144, very good. And
169,
169, good.
196,
196,
225,
225, good.
256,
256, good. 17,
ma'am,
289,
289,
good. 289. And what about 18?
324,
324, good. Then
361,
361, and then we have 400.
400.
So, while observing the squares, you will notice a pattern. जो यहाँ पर जो लास्ट डिजिट होती है, यानी जो वंस प्लेस पे डिजिट होती है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? यूनिट डिजिट. वी कॉल इट एज
Unit digit.
unit digit. So here, what is there in the units place? 1 only. यहाँ पर 1 ही है, because we write it as 0, 1, right? So unit place पे क्या है?
1,
1, right? So here what we have in the units place?
1,
1. Likewise 4 and 4, 9 and 9, 6 and 6, 5 and 5, 6 and 6, 9 and 9, 4 and 4, 1 and 1, and 0 and 0. So did you notice the pattern कि unit place वाली चीजें same ही आ रही हैं when we are going upwards toward the number, तो वो unit place same आ रहा है. तो आपको क्या इसका पैटर्न समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am.
So first property, the first property, we can say 2, 3, 7 and 8. These numbers, learn these numbers by heart. I think, yeah, only these numbers, 2, 3, 7 and 8. When these numbers are at units place, we can say कि वो number perfect square नहीं है. Never can a number be perfect square if it has 8, 7, 3 or 2 as at its unit place. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So a number can never be a perfect square if it has 2, 3, 7 and 8. And rest of the numbers like 6, 4, 9 and 5 and 1. All these numbers, we cannot surely say कि अगर ये numbers unit place में हैं तो वो perfect square होगा. No, we cannot surely say. Maybe, but for that also we have to check. पर हमें एक चीज तो पता चल गई कि अगर ये numbers हैं तो वो तो perfect square नहीं है. पर अगर ये numbers हैं, so we can check further for the perfect square वाला criteria. Clear? Okay, Pulkit. So what is the first property? That if 2, 3, 7 are at unit
Unit
place,
place, it can't be a perfect square.
the number cannot be a perfect square. So a number cannot be a perfect square.
Right.
So can I erase this now, Pulkit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The second property is about the zeros at the unit place or the zeros after a perfect square. So the number of zeros at the end of the perfect square, we can say that the number of zeros at the end of a perfect square is always even, So Pulkit, what do you understand by this? That if a number have, like, see, here we have two zeros. 2 is an even number. Is 2 an even number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we can say that these are perfect squares. These are perfect squares. But if we have 4,000, 400, yani 4,000, this cannot be a perfect square. This cannot be a perfect square. इसमें भी there is one condition कि हम ये जरूरी नहीं कह सकते that if a number has even number of zeros, like this has 4 zeros, so we cannot confirmly say that this is a perfect square. हम perfectly और confirmly नहीं कह सकते कि अगर उसके बाद में it is ending with even number of zeros, so it is a perfect square. No, we have to check for that also. But एक बात पता लगी, क्या पता लगी कि अगर odd number of zeros है, so it can never be a perfect square. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving on to our third property. Third property is an easy one, that the square of even numbers is an even number and the square of an odd number is an odd number. Square of an even number is an even number. Square of an even number is an even number and is even, and square of an odd number is odd. So see here, square of an odd number is odd. 3 is an odd number or an even number, Pulkit?
Odd.
Odd. And 9?
Odd.
So a square of an odd number is an odd number. Now let's go. 2 is an even number, so 4 is also an even number, and the square
Yes,
of an
ma'am.
even number is an even number. Look here. Look here, 17, 289. Odd number, odd number. So is it
Yes, ma'am.
clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, the next property I will explain you a little nicely. Look, if n, consider n as any natural number, okay? If n is a perfect square, if n is a perfect square, 2n can never be a perfect square. All these properties are very important to memorize so that when we are doing the questions, we have a hand of it and a hack of it. So हम लोग जल्दी जल्दी properties apply करके बिना कोई, अगर if we get 18, we will multiply 18 into 18 and then get a perfect square. But if we know that at its unit place there will be 4, so उससे easy हो जाता है हमारा perfect square निकालना. Can never be a perfect square. Look. For example, 2 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, right? Is 4
Yes,
a
ma'am.
perfect square? Yes. Now, 2 into 4, we are taking n as 4, and 4 is equals to n. So, 2n is 2 into 4 and 8. Is 8 a perfect square?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No.
No, no.
Yes. How can 8 be a perfect square? 8 ko cube we can say 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. But for square, 8 is not a perfect square. तो अगर n perfect square है, तो 2n can never be a perfect square. Clear, Pulkit?
Okay, ma'am.
Moving on. This is to a very basic one. A perfect square can So, a perfect square can never be negative. How? See, 2 ka square we have 4, okay? Now, if we do minus 2 ka square, we are not getting minus 4 as the answer. We are getting 4 only as the answer because minus minus is. Pulkit, are you understanding? Are you
Yes, ma'am.
attentive?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we can never get up, and a perfect square can never be negative. Look, 2 into 2 is 4 and minus 2 into 2 minus 2 is
4.
4. Clear? Likewise, if we do 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 3 into 3 is also 9. So a perfect square can never be negative. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm writing it like this, but it is not supposed to be written like this. I'm writing this for a better understanding. It will be written if 2 square is 4, then minus 2 ka square is also 4. Clear?
Ma'am.
Now, a very important property. अच्छा, बिफोर टीचिंग दिस प्रॉपर्टी वी विल डू वन एक्सरसाइज जिससे हमारी ये सारी जो प्रॉपर्टीज हमने करी हैं वो हमारी बहुत इजीली रिवाइज हो जाएंगी. चलो, लेट्स डू एन एक्सरसाइज. Wait, let me find out some questions for you. Pulkit, is the topic of perfect square clear to you? Beta,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute you. Okay. Okay, I'm giving you four numbers. I'm giving you four numbers. Are the numbers clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. See, these are the four numbers: 2032, 2032, 2048, 1027, and 1089. I hope the numbers are clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to tell me which of the following are not the perfect squares. And you have to tell me the reason also. Is 2032 a perfect square?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why is
Ma'am,
20?
because
Yes.
its unit digit is 2.
Yes, it ends with a 2. It has 2 as its unit on its unit place. So it can never be a perfect square. Quickly we eliminated this one. ये eliminate हो गया quickly, because अगर हमें अभी नहीं पता होता तो हम कितने numbers multiply करते. But now we know that if a number is ending with 2 at its unit place, so it can never be a perfect square. Okay, now 2048.
No, ma'am.
It can also not be a perfect square because it has 8 at its unit place. Okay, good. Then the next is 1027.
No, ma'am.
No, it can also not be. Okay. Now talking about 1089. It has 9 at its unit place.
Yes, ma'am.
Check and tell me. Check and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, ये किसका perfect square होगा? How can we find out?
Ma'am, by the help of prime factorization.
Yes, you can do it by the help of a prime factorization. अच्छा, tell me how.
Ma'am, we will prime factorize it and then we will do its square root.
Square root. Let's not bring square root here. And see, on prime factorizing this 1089, we get 3 and 3 into, I think, 363. 3 into 363 is 1089. Check.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I think so. Yeah, it is 3 into 363. Okay, now on prime factorizing 363, what will we get? 3 into
3 2 3. Ma'am, 121.
9 into 121 also. Okay, 9 into 121, and then we can further factorize into 3 into 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then after this, what will we do? 121, very easy.
Ma'am, 11.
11, right. 11 किससे बेटा? 11 को कैसे करा आपने factorize?
Ma'am, it is all ma'am, it is a prime number.
It is a prime number, right? So 121 is a square of 120,
11.
11, right? तो अब
Yes,
हमें इससे 1089 का कैसे पता चलेगा? See here, 3 square into 11 square. 3 square into 11 square. Do 3 square into 11 square. What are we getting?
ma'am, 9 multiply 121.
3 square into 11 square. We are getting it as 1089.
1089.
Yes, 1089. अब अगर इसमें से हम कॉमन लेके we multiply and 3 into 11 is 3 into
33.
11.
33.
33। अब अगर हम 3 इंटू 11 ही का पहले वो कर ले मल्टीप्लाई, और क्या आंसर आ रहा है? 33। इज द बोर्ड
3.
विजिबल बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, नो वेट। तो वी आर गेटिंग 33। ठीक है, अब इस 33 का हम स्क्वायर कर देंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर आ जाएगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
We will do 33 का square, so we will get answer as 1089. So you are getting how we are solving the perfect square wala thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we by this we are clear that 2032, 2048, 1027 are not the perfect square, whereas 1089 is a perfect square. 33 into 33, do 33 into 33. Are we getting 10? Of course we are getting. Yes, we are getting 1089. It's better to always check and cross check our answers because we are humans, we tend to make mistakes. Okay?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अच्छा चलो, one more question for you. 64 square, 108, 292 square and 36 square. We have these numbers, okay, not 108, 108 का square. We have these numbers, Pulkit, and now we have to find कि इनके किसके last digit में 4 होगा. If we square these numbers, किसके last digit में 4 होगा? So on multiplying 292 into 292, it is a big of a hassle. So let's just square the unit, square the number at the units place, और जो उसके लास्ट डिजिट में आएगा, अगर इफ इट इज अ 4, तो जो स्क्वायर होगा हमारा नंबर उसके, चलो वी विल सॉल्व एंड आई टेल यू, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज.
Okay,
तो
ma'am.
पुलकित, you what is at the units placed in 64 का square?
Miss 4.
4. Yes, okay. 64 में we have 4 at the units place, so we will take 4 का square. So 4 का square is
16.
16. And does it have 4 as its last digit? I'm fumbling today.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have the next number as 108. 8 का square is
64.
64. Do we have 4 here?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो हमको यहां से पता चल गया कि 108 के स्क्वायर में भी 4 होगा. लेट्स चेक आवर आंसर. 108 इंटू 108. सी पुलकित, 8 plus 6 is
8 plus 14.
good. 1944. Do we have 4 as its last digit?
Yes, ma'am.
So यहाँ इतना सॉल्व करने से बेटर वी गेट इट इन वन स्टेप दैट यस 108 के स्क्वायर में 4 होगा लास्ट डिजिट में. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, लेट्स डू 292 का स्क्वायर. So on squaring 2, what do we get?
4.
4. Good. तो इसके यूनिट प्लेस पे 4 है.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. 36, sorry, 36 का स्क्वायर, 6 का स्क्वायर, which is 6 का
36.
36. Do we have 4 at the units place?
No, ma'am.
No. So the only two numbers in which we are getting 4 as the last digit is 108 and 292. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what do we have next? Okay, Pulkit, which maths book are you following? Do you have the chapter A Square and a Cube in your book?
Yes, ma'am. Miss NCRT, new edition.
Okay. So I hope till now what all I have taught is all there in your course and you are able to understand everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, I will now tell you one property and then when we will do the question regarding that, the property will be clear to you. So I think this is property number 5 or 6, I don't know. So this property is for every natural number, the sum of first n odd natural first n odd natural numbers is equals to n square. अब इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है? By this property, what do we understand? This property is saying कि for every natural number, the sum of first n odd natural numbers is equals to n square. See, we have 1. So 1 का जो स्क्वायर होगा दैट विल बी तो 1 ओनली. ठीक है. अब नाउ आई विल टेल यू. अब आपको उससे 3 से और 2 से अच्छा समझ जाएगा. So what is the first natural number? Which is the first natural number is
1.
1. And 1 का क्या स्क्वायर होगा?
1.
1 only. So we are getting there. Now, what are the first two natural numbers, Pulkit?
Ma'am, 1 and 2.
1 and 2, first two odd natural numbers. First two
1 and 3.
1 and 3. Okay, when we add 1 and 3, it is saying sum of first n order numbers. 1 and 3. What are we getting?
4.
Which is
2 square.
2 ka square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And how are we getting 2 ka square? We are doing the sum of first two odd natural numbers. अब अगर हम first three odd natural numbers लेंगे, which is 1, 3 and 5. I'm right?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the
9.
9? Yes. 9. And we are doing it for the first three natural numbers. So this is 3 square. This is 3 square. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is a pattern which is following the number, as we are moving and adding more numbers, we are getting the consecutive squares. Likewise, if we do it for the sum of, you say, 6 natural numbers, first 6 odd natural numbers, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 6 हो गया ना? 3, 3. Yes. What are we getting as the sum? What are we getting as
It's
the sum?
36.
Yes, 36. We are getting 36, which is the square of
6.
6. So is that clear कि हम जैसे जैसे जितने नंबर्स को ऐड कर रहे हैं, जितने ऑड नेचुरल नंबर्स को ऐड कर रहे हैं, वो हमारा स्क्वायर बनता जा रहा है. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will do one question regarding that and उससे आपको समझ आ जाएगा ये प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई कैसे करनी है. Wait, let me find the questions regarding this property. See, it is given that 125 का square is equals to 15625. 15625, and we have to find the square of 126. उसमें दिया है that the square of 125 is 15625, and we have to find the square of 126. How can we find?
It's by the help of 2n minus 1.
2n minus 1. Yes, we can do that. So what is n here? What is n here, Pulkit?
That's 126.
126. Okay. 2 into n, which is 126, minus 1. You mean this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 2 into 126 is
252.
252. And 252 minus 1 is
251.
251. We are getting 251. Is this the square of 126?
No, ma'am. We have to multiply it by 125 square.
Not multiply. We have to add it
Plus,
in.
plus.
Yes, we have to add this in 25 का square, which
125
is
square.
156525. Sorry, 625 plus 251, and we will get our answer, which will be 1587. Yeah, I'm doing it right, right? Yeah, we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
get this as the answer. 1587.6.
76.
Clear, Pulkit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's give you one more question like this, और उसके बाद हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे. Hmm. Okay. We have 45 का square as 2025, and we have to find 46 का square. We have to find 46 का square. How? How, Pulkit?
By the help of 2n minus 1.
2n minus 1. Okay, do. What are we getting? . 2 into 45 is 90, right? हो
Miss,
गया.
answers 2116.
2116. Okay, how? Tell me.
Ma'am, first we have to do 2 minus 1 and
2 minus,
then we will
yes,
add it to with the 45 square.
45 squares. Yes. 2 minus 1, how? Are we doing it like this? 2 into 45. How much is 2 into 45?
Miss, ma'am, 45, not 46.
Yes. That is only, I was asking कि यहाँ पे mistake हो रही है. 2 into 46 minus 1. 2 into 46. Tell me what is 2 into 46?
92.
92. And 92 minus 1 is
91.
91. और जब हम 25 को 91 में add करेंगे, we will get as 6.
2116.
2116 as our answer, which is absolutely correct. Okay. So here our n changed. What we took as n there is we did it wrong in the first question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now find 100 square. Quickly, very easy this is though.
Miss, 1000. Ma'am,
Clear?
10,000. 10,000.
Sorry, 10,000. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अभी जब हम लोग ये वाला पार्ट ले रहे थे, so for that there is another formula. If we take n as 100, तो ये तो सही है. 2n minus 1 वाला formula is perfect for that. But if we take 99 as n, तो उसके लिए एक different formula है. That formula is n square plus 2n plus 1. n square plus 2n plus 1. Now if we take, चलो अब 99 को हम इसकी प्लेस पे लेते हैं और देखते हैं क्या आएगा. So 99 का स्क्वायर तो it is already given, so we will take at 9801. And 2n plus 1, 2 into 99. 2 into 99 is
198.
198. 198 plus 1, 199, और फिर इसमें ऐड करोगे, so again we will get as 10,000.
10,000.
तो ये वाला मेथड भी समझ आ गया. n स्क्वायर प्लस 2n माइनस प्लस 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 1 when we are taking this as n and minus 1 when we are taking this as n. Clear? बाकी तो सेम ही है. Okay, now हाँ, अभी तक तो we have been talking about two consecutive numbers, like it was 99 then 100, तो हमारे लिए easy था. Now if I talk about two non-consecutive numbers, like if the square of 25 is 625, find the square of 28. Find the square of 28. How will we do this?
Don't know.
See, there are some steps how we will do it. Okay, I'll explain you and then we will do it. So consecutive numbers steps में कर लोगे पहले आप 26 का स्क्वायर फिर 27 का एंड देन इवेंचुअली 28 का. 2n 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 वाला फॉर्मूला लगा कर we will reach up to 28. We will reach up to 28, or we can do it directly also. How? A square minus b square का फॉर्मूला पता है? What is the formula of a square minus b square?
No, ma'am.
अरे, a square minus b square, it is
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
this is the formula of a minus b square. A square minus b, sorry. और इसका फॉर्मूला डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन दिस a माइनस b का स्क्वायर. इट इज a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab वाला थिंग. ठीक है, don't get confused between the two formulas. It is a square minus b square. Clear? So a minus b and a plus b, very simple and easy formula. अब इसमें we keep a as 25 and b as 28 and solve and tell me. So 25 minus 28 is 3 and 25 plus 28 is 159, right? Check. No, sorry, not 159. It is 53. Sorry. People kit, are you getting the same answer?
Miss, wait for some minutes.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Miss, 159.
159. Yes, very good. 159. अब जो हम लोग करते थे कि इसके स्क्वायर में we add 159. So add 625 में 159. What are we getting?
Miss, 784.
784. Very good. We are getting 784 as the answer. This is done in just 2 steps. Was it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just remember the formula. A square minus b square is equals to a minus b and a plus b. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And then when you will get the answer from this formula, add that answer from the square which you are provided with. Okay, I'm giving you one more question like this. Do and give me the answer quickly. See, 40 का square is 40 square is 1600. And find the square of 44. Quickly do it using the same method. Use the same method and you will quickly get the answer. Do it quickly. We have 7 minutes and I have to do one more question.
Miss 1936.
1936. Excellent. Were you getting 4 into 84? Yes. And 336, right? This is
Yes,
how
ma'am.
you did it, right? And then you add 1600 into 336. इसको add कर दिया and then we get 1936 as the
Six.
answer. Okay, now I'm giving you one question. Do that and tell me. See, we have a question as 60 square is equals to 3600. So find 57 ka square. Quickly, Pulkit, in 2 minutes I want the answer.
Miss 3951.
3951. Okay. Now just square this and check whether we are getting 3951. What is your answer? 3951. Square 57. Do 57 into 57 and tell me what are you getting as the answer. Are you getting 3951?
No, ma'am.
No, right? What are we getting as the answer? Are we getting 3249? Are you getting 3249?
No, ma'am.
Then what are you getting as the answer? Check your answer.
Miss 3149.
Beta, cross check. You must have done something wrong. 57 into 57.
Miss 3249.
Yes, 3249. I am also getting it as 3249. How we are getting 3249? अभी तक तो 3951 आ रहा था, but which means the formula here is not working. It is working. The formula up till here was perfect. The moment you added 351, you added 351 to 3600, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The moment you added, we went wrong. So when we will subtract 351 from 3600, we will get 3249. Why is it so? Because we are going backwards. We are going backwards. अब अगर हम 62 लाते, so we would have increased with our answer, but we are getting, if we would have 62 here, तो हम add करते, but we have 57, which is less than 60. When we are going backwards in number, we will subtract. We will not add. Up till now, जब हमने 40 वाला किया था और फिर 44 का square निकालना था, what we did was we added the number. But here we are going backwards with the counting, so we will subtract the number. Is it clear to you, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो द मोमेंट यू सी कि हमें स्क्वायर बड़े नंबर का दिया है बट हमें निकालना छोटा नंबर है, तो बी वेरी क्लियर विथ इट दैट वी हैव टू सब्सट्रैक्ट इट. ओके, okay, now 36 minus 351 is 3249 only, so we are getting our answer. Okay, so that is it for the class. It's almost 5. I hope you understood, Pulkit, everything
Yes,
what
ma'am.
I have taught.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, so you can join the class tomorrow using the same link, and समझ आया ना सब कुछ? Practice the questions given in your book. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Pulkit. You can join tomorrow at the same time using the same link.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. कल इसी क्लास में तो बच्चे थे जो बोल रहे थे टाइम नहीं मैनेज हो पा रहा है, वो वाला. जितने थे सब. सेवेंथ में भी 3-4 थे. फिफ्थ में 4 थे, ऐसे ही थे सब में. हाँ.
अभी कल में सबके सारे क्लास के 5 मिनट पहले भी विषय का था उसका चलने के लिए विषय तो बार-बार लोग क्या शेयर है बहुत सारे विषय के लिए ब्लॉक कर देते हैं जिसमें वो ने किसी को माइंड नहीं
Please.
ही बेटा, switch on your camera. बहन है. बहन नहीं. Okay, good evening, Arohi.
Good
So
evening, ma'am.
were you there yesterday for the class?
No.
Ma'am, today is my first class.
Okay, today is your first class. Okay.
आरोही पुलकित आपके भाई हैं क्या?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा। उनको क्लास कैसी लगी?
सर अच्छी लगी उनको।
अच्छा। चलिए सही है, आपको भी अच्छी लगेगी। और जैसा कि उनको हमने बताया था वैसे ही आपको भी बता दें, क्लास आज 7th में अभी आज हम लोग मैथ्स करेंगे, ठीक है? तो
Yes,
नबिया
sir.
कल आई थी क्या? नबिया आप भी कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए बेटा। कल आपको क्लास कैसी लगी थी नबिया? कैमरा ऑन करिए बेटा। आरोही आपको बता दें कि आपको कोई भी बीच में मैम अगर बताएंगी कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझ में आएगा, कुछ भी डाउट रहेगा तो आप मैम से पूछ सकती हैं, बार बार पूछ सकती हैं, ठीक है? मैम
Okay.
आपको बताएंगी, जब तक आपको डाउट क्लियर ना हो जाए, समझ में ना आ जाए, मैम तब तक आपको बताती रहेंगी, ठीक है? अभी
Okay.
बस 2 मिनट वेट कर लेते हैं और लोग भी आ जाए। नबिया क्या हुआ, कोई प्रॉब्लम है बेटा? कैमरा ऑन करिए बेटा। कल आपको क्लास कैसी लगी बेटा नबिया? ये ऑफ कर दिया।